stars go. Our steps are a timeless dance, entranced in a fleeting chance. A saxophone softly weeps, on cobblestone streets it creeps. We laugh at the stars above, wrapped in the spell of love. Oh, let's take a midnight stroll, where stories of love unroll, in the whispers of the night.